Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix location services not working or grayed out on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable location services. First tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on privacy, tap on location services toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is allow Google Maps app to access your location. First tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on privacy. You can see appears on screen. Tap on location services, tap on map location, allow, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is enable background app refresh. Firstly tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general, tap on background app refresh. You can see appears on screen background app refresh. Tap on it. Background app refresh on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Firstly tap on setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix location services not working or grayed out on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.